my whole life for a green piece of paper. Did some tripe shit for a green piece of paper. Did some hype shit for a green piece of paper. A green piece of paper. A green piece of paper.
These motherfucking streets exist without consciousness. A survival course rooted in poverty, robbed at by way of systematic oppression. While politicians talk like, snitches talk like, junkie fiends talk, when driven to get that next hookup, you know, jobbing, conniving, perpetrating frauds, self-defeating egotistical ideals to inflate the consumer rate, the poverty rate, the murder rate, and any other rate related to death, rationalizing the bullshit, overemphasizing keeping it real or confused or entangled in a slavish web of subjugation at the expense of black-on-black destruction. These motherfucking streets exist without consciousness, a survival course rooted in poverty, derived at by way of systematic oppression.
In the game for mad years, paid a whole lot of dues in it. Never bite the hand that feeds you, but the rules is different. When the hand that feeds you ain't got food in it. Room full of scholars, bet you it's a fool in it. Yeah, I learned my wisdom from the wise, and then I learned living from the lives. Both drop the same jewel, boy, better get it, it's your time. But nope, I say it's God time. I'm just a maker of hard rhymes, due to the hard times. Skin's real thick, you can look at the scar lines. Sometimes in my mind, I be still on the yard time, hitting the bar time. Crunches to the push-ups to the dips, but real niggas push up with the clips. My niggas is raw, you heard right, no cook up in his